Well, the first feeling is, of course, blend with very humble proudness, but also a bit of fear, I would say. We just left a very important journey and we are entering a new one. So this is a milestone for Transcendent Group. It's a milestone for me, but it's also a milestone for all of us together. And now is the time for us to speed up, put in the next gear, and continue our both geographical growth, but also our growth within digitalization and developing and delivering governance, risk and compliance services. Thank you all, and now focus on the future.